How to stop deleting messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Messages and tap on it. You are now in the Messages settings page. From there, you can enable or disable iMessage, customize send and receive options, manage text message forwarding, and adjust notification settings. Here, scroll down to the message history section and tap on Keep Messages. From here, you can choose for how long you want to keep messages on your phone. If you never want your messages to get deleted, then select Forever from the options. Your messages will now never get deleted until you delete them yourself. Following these steps, you can easily stop deleting messages on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.